Understanding, Lead the Sheep, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, lead the sheep. This idiom may seem straightforward, but it holds deeper meanings and cultural nuances that are essential for English learners. So, let's explore together. Lead the sheep is an idiom that implies guiding or influencing a group in a direction, often without much resistance or independent thought from the group. It's usually used to describe situations where people are easily influenced or controlled. The phrase draws on the image of a shepherd leading a flock of sheep, which are known for following the leader without question. Understanding idioms often involves a bit of history. The phrase, lead the sheep, has its roots in pastoral or farming societies where shepherds were common. Sheep are known for their tendency to follow the leader of the flock, often without hesitation. This behavior is metaphorically extended to describe human group dynamics. Let's see how this idiom can be used in everyday conversation. 1. In politics. During the election, the candidate managed to lead the sheep with his charismatic speeches. 2. In social contexts, the fashion influencer is so popular that she just needs to wear something new, and she leads the sheep into the latest trend. 3. In corporate settings, the manager is so persuasive that he can lead the sheep into working overtime without complaints. While lead the sheep can be a neutral description of influence, it often carries a slightly negative connotation, suggesting a lack of critical thinking or independence among the followers. It's important to use this phrase thoughtfully, understanding the context and the message you want to convey. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, lead the sheep, and its nuances in the English language. Remember, idioms are a window into the culture and history of a language, so embracing them can enrich your English learning journey. See you in the next video.